Mayensa mama kwa baby umra Adom TV kasiya su wiase amansa nyina da agya tomu na yabo nipa bi abaso Ghana adehye omaduro mo mpanyimfie so omomode mbo omabo ama Ghana etimi akonkan Nkwanta South eho na senior citizens omoje omabas body
Nkwanta South Assembly a wonum ewo timantemu eye eponto edema wonum akọ pension nyina ewo mensinim sebeyi a ede bekenya won hu ebiem wonum akọ pension bese oha a wonum nyina edom National Pensioners Association ekuo no ene bepie ponto no ase otitre ne awoda National Association of Pensioners a wonum ewo Nkwanta South ano ayos amewu ejina ne mfefo nyina anamu eda abaya na musini ene adwumayeko ya sese wonum etusa na moyi
Ghana minus enko enim. We want to plead with the youth that is to exercise restraint in all that they do. We want to also appeal to our leaders to exercise patience with the youth because times have changed. What the youth are looking for, maybe we didn't look for those things. The times are making them to look for brighter future. And this omuya bibia ese ye de kanfon ese yenya ntobasi ma omo
enwachi ena ekofo bi nso ede afoto ema mabunu se wono mo animere adesua ho isanse eno nkwa no kwan ya wono betimi ede abo abrabopa
e ka che omo ni se omo nsua homa se ye mere mu no ye sua homa na light ni ho na so ye fakania candle na ye di sua homa na ya be ye nya ya ye ni ene light wo ho na so for dance homa na mu ko drinking bar na mu ko dance omo nsua menti omo bro mu ase
talking to senior citizens and they have to behave in the house very well. Who spoil the country, we are now giving them again to face it. How will they face it? They intentionally spoil it. So there's nothing they can do to fix it. Yes, that is my mind.
I say, Yenina, ye boy, humodi, na yen wa abainu, na yahusen ebe na omainu, aye correct amaye.
Ne kwakra na abaya na msini wo Nkwanta South John Tasun ene Adom kase etwetwe nkomo
ya ehye no omunjai no mu ya ehye no on continue so enu na meka